What's up, guys? Rolling back again. Short video today. A couple of days ago, we washed the car using a new car wash product. Was it wasn't Mother's? Meguiars. They both start with M. So, let me show you the results. Those Falcon tires, not bad, not bad, not bad. Recently I had my brakes and rotors put on. My tire guy. It's been like 2 or 3 days. So far, these tires have been good. What I'm really waiting for is for the snow to fall so I can really test them. Look at that shine. It was even more pronounced after I first got it washed. I used the Meguiars tire shine. I used the Meguiars tire cleaner and the Meguiars quick wax. So all in all, they're pretty good. And of course, you can find these products online or at your local Walmart or at your local auto parts store. So you feel like stepping up your car wash game, yep, turtle wax or either Meguiars. I'm not sure if I'm going to extend past that. There are other car washes I would like to try, but you know how that goes. So that being said, enjoy the view, and I will see you out on the road.